Good morning. I hope everybody had a beautiful weekend. So today we have some leftover ribs, and I would love to give them to the dogs, but I think they'll kill each other over them. So I'm gonna give them to the chickens. And then the neighbors left a bunch of chips and some uneaten noodles. That was the puppy jumping on me, demanding. Oh. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Bobby. Good morning, Brian. No. Get me off here. You come over here. Good morning. Okay, here. Come on. So while the peacock's water tank is filling, I'll show you something. I have so much trouble, I'm sure everyone does, with the rodents. And the biggest issue for me is the bantam cochins. Many times are broody, and I allow them to sit, and I can't have rats in there because they themselves will eat or steal the eggs or chicks, but they also make room for the snakes to get in. So I found a breach yesterday while I was watering, and this is all enclosed with hardware cloth, and it's sunk down, and most of it is concreted at the perimeter. But this one part of the frame, and because I wondered how the rat was getting in, because there's evidence in there that there's a rat breach. So hopefully I got that plugged. Probably need to do some sort of concrete right in that little hole, dig out and put more, put a bunch of concrete in there and make it so that they can't dig under there again. Let's see how these baby chicks are doing. Hi, loves. Hi. So let's see. Oh, this one here was under the food bowl, so always be careful about that. And we have one over there that needs its bum cleaned, see? But I see 5. So everybody's doing well. 5 brand new ones, little bantam cochins. And this is why I pull them. The rats get in and they take the chicks. That's why I don't let the mamas raise them. But see my Brahma girl grow out, and my beautiful splash blue cochin mama. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about her. Anyway. So let me clean that little ones behind before it dies, because that'll kill it. There's my baby. Hello, precious. Oh, my girl. You sweet girl. Come here. Oh, here she is. What a gorgeous girl. Oh, she's so pretty. I just love you. Hi, Black Sam. She's a good girl. See, they think I'm just gonna let him go in the taxi. I can't, you guys, and it won't be green anymore. Okay, just getting these sprinklers turned on. Everybody's fed, watered, and I just need to water my pasture and my fruit trees. I did lose my plum tree, gone. It crumbled to the ground the other day, which is so sad. It had plums and everything this year, and then it just couldn't stand the heat anymore. I guess it got watered. We didn't find any bugs in it, but it did have some damage on the trunk, so that must have been the last straw for it. But the apple trees are recovering, so that's good. For anyone interested, I have a page on Etsy, Elm Acre Farmhouse, if you wanted to look that up. And I hope you do. And you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.